Alright, these are the elevators here at Cintermex in Monterrey, Mexico. These are new ThyssenKrupp. And same as the parking ones. And these are glass. And one up to two. Some of them are still ThyssenKrupp, ThyssenDover impulse by now. But hopefully those get rebranded, remodernized soon. Here are two. It's the second floor. What else?
Así es. Sweet. También ya traigo a Carla. ¿De qué te manchaste? Comí un bocadillo y me cayó aquí. Ahí traigo el ISO para que no. No, pues siempre lo va a quitar. No, pero se te mancha ya no se te quita. ¿Sí?
Okay. Parking lot on the floor. We just had to make a stop at S1, but let's take a look at the numbers this time. Since there's nothing much to see now when going to the lower level. Here at parking lot 4. Alright, back up to PV. It's pitch black down here. Gotta close this up. The night hours are pitch black, so oh well. Really nice ThyssenKrupp elevator with your fixtures and the indicator. And there's not much to see out here, but we're about to get to the first main floor. Here are now. Alright. Right there are the escalators. So, it's your floor guide. Should close up. There it goes. And that's it.